People need to understand that insurance companies are in the business of making money. They do that in two ways. First, they collect your premium dollars and hope you don't have any claims. Second, they either deny claims or try to settle them cheaply. The average claimant has no idea what fair compensation is or how to go about proving it. They are at the mercy of adjusters who are trained to play on people's lack of knowledge and experience. They earn job promotions based upon the amount of money they can save the company as compared to fair value on a claim. When adjusters deal with unrepresented people, the adjusters know that if the case can't be settled, they'll just wait them out. Meanwhile, the company has the use of your money. When an attorney appears on behalf of an injured person, the insurer will automatically increase its claim reserve because it knows it will have to ultimately pay more to resolve the claim. In my view, people who try to represent themselves virtually always end up with less money in their pocket than had they hired competent legal counsel in the first place. You know, there's a reason for the old adage, a person who represents himself has a fool for a client. So the short answer to your question is yes, a person can represent him or herself. However, in all likelihood, they won't like the result.